Hi everyone, tired of little daily annoyances? Check out these 10 life-changing Amazon products that solve your everyday problems effortlessly. Number 1 is this flexible power strip. This power strip has 3 AC outlets and 2 USB charging ports, and the adjustable design means the outlets twist to fit around furniture legs or tight spaces. With a 5-foot extension cord, it keeps your workspace neat and organized. It also protects your devices from power surges, so you can safely charge laptops, phones, and more. Plus, it's portable enough for travel or small spaces like RVs and cubicles. Say goodbye to messy cords and hello to convenient charging. Number 2 is this stain treater spray. It's a must-have for families dealing with messy eaters or stubborn stains. This spray works wonders on food, grease, coffee, and more. No dry cleaning required. It's gentle enough for baby clothes, free from harsh chemicals, and works on all kinds of fabrics. Whether you're cleaning laundry, upholstery, or carpets, it lifts stains effortlessly. Keep one in your kitchen, diaper bag, or laundry room for those inevitable spills and accidents. Stains don't stand a chance. Number 3 is this cup cleaning brush. With 3 detachable bristle heads and a sturdy suction base, this tool takes the hassle out of cleaning glassware. It's perfect for everything from baby bottles to tall wine glasses. The nylon bristles are tough enough to remove stubborn grime, but gentle enough not to scratch. Rotate your cup clockwise for a thorough clean, and the removable brushes make it easy to keep things hygienic. If you love clean, streak-free glasses, this is a must-have. Number 4 is this underdoor draft stopper. Keep cold air, noise, and dust from sneaking into your home with this double-sided draft guard. It fits doors up to 38 inches and fills gaps as wide as 1.4 inches. Installation is simple. Just slide it under your door, and it moves with the door when you open or close it. It's a budget-friendly way to make your home more energy efficient while also reducing noise and light intrusion. Perfect for apartments, bedrooms, or drafty old doors. Number 5 is this automatic door closer. No more leaving doors ajar with this clever gadget. It works on left or right swinging doors, whether they're wooden, metal, or interior. Installation is adhesive, so no drilling is required, and the steel wire rope is strong enough to last through 50,000 uses. It's compact, durable, and weatherproof, making it great for both residential and commercial spaces. It even closes heavy doors with ease, keeping your space secure and draft-free. Number 6 is this self-wringing mop. Say goodbye to wet hands and messy floors. The microfiber mop head is super absorbent and tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair without dripping water everywhere. The built-in wringer lets you control how much water you use, while the 57-inch handle means you can clean without bending over. It's great for hardwood, tile, and more. And the scrubbing pad helps with tough stains, perfect for busy homes, offices, or anywhere that needs a quick, thorough clean. Number 7 is this wet-dry vacuum cleaner. This all-in-one cleaning tool sucks up wet and dry messes with ease, thanks to its powerful 17,000 Pascal suction and dual roller system. It even cleans itself while you work. No more dirty rollers. The adaptive cleaning sensor adjusts to mess levels, and the app control lets you change settings or start self-cleaning with a tap. Ideal for hard floors. It's perfect for anyone who wants spotless floors with minimal effort. Number 8 is this mini vacuum cleaner. This tiny cordless powerhouse does it all. It vacuums, blows dust, and even works as a hand pump. Use it to clean keyboards, car interiors, or sofas, and then switch it up to inflate a swim ring or deflate storage bags. It has 8,000 Pascal suction power and a lightweight design for easy handling. The washable filter and USB-C charging make it practical and eco-friendly. Keep it on hand for quick cleanups or travel emergencies. Number 9 is these dissolvable food labels. Label your food containers without the sticky residue. These 1 by 2 inch labels dissolve in water in under 30 seconds, so cleanup is a breeze. They stick to all surfaces, including glass and plastic, and can handle extreme temperatures from -40 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for food rotation, inventory, or meal prep. They're safe, PFAS-free, and leave no mess behind. Simplify your kitchen organization with these game-changing labels. Number 10 is this flying insect trap. Keep your home free of pesky flies, gnats, and fruit flies with this plug-in trap. It uses UV light to attract insects, trapping them on a sticky pad you never have to touch. The cartridges are replaceable for year-round use, and it works quietly in any room. Set it up in your kitchen, bathroom, or garage, and let it work 24/7 to keep your space pest-free. It's effortless, mess-free, and a must-have for a bug-free home. Make life easier with these incredible finds. Grab them from the description and transform your routine today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing products. See you in the next video.